Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok search not working. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app. After that, tap on the search icon on the top right corner. From here, tap on the search bar and search whatever you want. To show you, I'll search dog video. From here, you'll get to see all the results available. And also, you can see different tabs on the top. So tap on each one and check them out. You can see videos, users, sounds, hashtags. This way you can search whatever you want. And also, there are many different kinds of ways you can search them. Now, go back. If it still doesn't work for you, tap on Profile on the bottom right corner. Now tap on Menu on the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap on Logout. After that, tap on Logout again to confirm. After logging out, log back in. This should fix your problem. If it still doesn't, then there's another way you can try. Open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and go to Apps. After that, go to App Management. Now, search here and go to TikTok. Scroll down and tap on Storage Usage. From here, what you need to do is tap on Clear Data, and then tap on OK. And once it's all cleared, you need to open your TikTok app once again. After that, just sign in and your TikTok app should be working just fine.